My dear students, parents, well ventilated and a finished classroom, well equipped laboratories and smart class, high-tech library with 10,000 books, air-conditioned Silver Jubilee Hall with a capacity of 1,500 seats, then indoor badminton court and indoor stadium for basketball, and then well-established swimming pool. In history of Thanjavur, it's proud to say that we have the STEM lab in collaboration with the esteemed Shastra University that should be signed by our chairman sir. Then I am very proud to announce that information to that, because the future generation and anything with the STEM lab. So that is also collaborated with the Shastra University. Excellence in academics in the hallmark of our school. In the academic year 2022-23, our school attains 10% result in 12th standard with the 18 centers, 99% result in 11th standard, and in 10th standard also 99%. We are happy to share the commendable performance of our students. To encourage the school toppers of 10th and 12th, our management used to honor them with a special cash award, certificates and seal. That everything that we happen to say here. Our management is very magnanimous enough to honor the teachers and also who have produced sentence scorers with the cash awards. Our managing trustee through SP Valliyappa Chettiar provides invaluable supports and resources to the academic and sports achievers to realize their dreams and reach new heights of success in their chosen discipline. For that, he has given scholarship generously. For the sports scholarship, 15 lakhs, educational charitable trust then provide magnanimously 10 lakhs and twins and triplets concession also to our students. 12th standard toppers of our school, our Arka secured first place with 595 out of 600 marks. He got centums in 4 subjects, commerce, economics, accountancy and business maths. Then second place was shared by Kishore Babu and King Crystal with a total of 582 out of 600. K. Kishore Babu secured centum in chemistry and computer science. King Crystal secured centum in commerce and accountancy. Yogeshwaran scored 562 out of 600. He stood third. And then the centum scorers were PMI Umar Ahmed Adnan, Ahmad Basim in chemistry, Harigaran and Tashri in commerce, Balaji, Mithun Venkatesh, Preeta, Edwina, Muthu Alamelu scored in accountancy. Then 11th standard toppers, Madheswar backed first place with 563 out of 600 in total. R. Sailesh Kumar secured second place with 555 out of 600 and third place was backed by U. Bharat with 542 out of 600. In 10th standard, K. Subhasri secured first place with 493 out of 500 marks. Yalini secured second place out of 489 out of 500. Narendran backed third place with 485 out of 500 marks. The centum scorers were K. Subhasri in maths and science, Niveta in science. This year, very proud to say, Yalini, 11th standard who secured second place in common examination 2022-23 is honored by our managing trustee S. Valliyappa Chettiar by giving away by 75% fee concession. And G. Narendran, 11th standard who secured third place in common examination is honored by giving 50% fee concession. Thank you, sir. It's very happy to announce that next academic year onwards, our management wish to encourage the other school students who secure above 490 out of 500 in 10th standard board exam by giving away the fee concession. Then special coaching classes for the board exam students, including Sunday classes, regular slip test, weekly test, monthly test, and then midterm test, and all the terminal examinations are conducted to achieve our goals. To develop reading and writing skills, the regular practice is given to the students. Then the remaining report, the Hania of 12th standard will continue the report on that co-curricular activities. Thank you, sir. So whatever that, if the students' recursion or parent recursion or any other educational help, if immediately we approach Sir, Sir magnanimously sanction everything and then they honor the students and also the parents. So my heart felt, then I informed to Sir, then I am very happy to work with the management and also it is the privilege to work more to our management. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.